Welcome to the Thought Refinery Meditations. In this meditation tips video, you will learn 3 quick and powerful mindfulness techniques you can do absolutely anywhere, using whatever space you're in, with or without incense or silence. These practices help bring your mind and body back into balance, even during the busiest days. First, try the 1-minute breath reset. Wherever you are, pause and bring all of your awareness to your breath. Notice the inhale as it flows in through your nose. Feel your chest rise. And simply follow that breath all the way through the exhale. Then do it again. Just one breath at a time. In a single minute, this simple reset can shift your whole internal state. The more often you return to your breath, the easier it becomes to stay grounded throughout your day. Next, try walking meditation. As you move through your day, whether you're outside, at work, or walking from one room to another, begin to sync your breath with your steps. Inhale as you take 4 slow steps. Exhale as you take another 4. Let your footsteps become a rhythm, and allow your awareness to rest on that movement. If your thoughts wander, gently come back to your feet, your breath, and your steps. Walking meditation is a moving form of mindfulness that fits easily into your day and helps you carry calm energy with you. And finally, try the mindful pause. This practice is especially helpful in conversations, meetings, or moments when you feel reactive. Before speaking, simply pause for 1 full breath. Feel the air enter and leave your body. Let the pause create a pocket of presence, a chance to respond with clarity rather than reacting automatically. This tiny shift in awareness can bring more peace into your relationships and more balance into your day. These mini meditations are portable, practical, and powerful. You don't need long sessions to experience the benefits of mindfulness. Just a few conscious moments, practiced consistently, can transform the way you move through life. If this video was helpful to you, consider subscribing to the Thought Refinery Meditations and sharing it with someone who could use some help discovering calm. Until next time, be well.